Hello brothers and sisters, I want again to welcome you to this lesson. Remember, we are still discussing about fundamental strategies of voicing, the techniques that we interpreters should have to carry out voicing in a perfect way. And particularly we are talking about types of speech. In the last two lessons, we have discussed about direct speech and indirect speech or recorded speech. In this lesson, I want us to focus on summarization speech or interpretation, a summary form of interpretation. So we say that this type of speech or interpretation is given in situations whereby someone is arrested or during interrogation. So in such situations, an interpreter is required to summarize for the hearing person to keep the hearing, of course, informed. So also used with those not familiar with using an interpreter and in mental health. So that means that during arrest of someone or interrogation, the sign language interpreter summarizes to ensure that what the deaf person or what the signer is giving out, the hearing person is also informed of what is happening. So you always give it in a summary form. So meaning to say that you'll have first of all to focus on the signed message before you give the summary of what the deaf person is talking about, so that you inform those who are not familiar with the sign language. See you in the next lesson.